Hello everyone, Truck CV Sales here with a tune-up report from my friend Justin right here in Kentucky on the Stryker SR-497HPC version 3. Justin, it's all ready to go for you, bud. Tune alignment. Let me let you hear what it sounded like. RF power all the way down, 100 watt slug. I got you at 3 watts all the way down. Let's roll it all the way up. And there's 30. I'm going to show you average power swing. Hello audio. About 57 bird. 250 watt slug and peak. Hello, 130 peak. And let's turn on the talk back a little bit and listen through the world famous Driver Extreme speakers. Guys, if you don't have one, you're missing out.
Check 1 2 1 2 3. Let's add a little more to it. 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1.
All right, there you go, Justin. We're gonna get you all fixed up from your friend Truck at truckcvsales.com. Bum bum.